When America developed the world's very first nuclear bomb, it believed it had become the undisputed ruler of the world, a power no one could ever challenge. However, it was mistaken. That single explosion ignited a perilous global arms race, and now 10 countries across the world possess the secret to building nuclear bombs. Some nations collaborated and shared their knowledge, while others simply resorted to theft. But every nation resorted to spies, deception, and secret deals. Today we'll explore how these 10 countries, competing fiercely, developed the world's most dangerous technologies. And we will also look at those countries who are very close to acquiring this technology, and also those countries who are next in line to build nuclear weapons. This story actually begins in Germany in 1938. It was a pivotal moment when scientists first discovered nuclear fission. They realized that by breaking apart atoms, they could unleash an enormous amount of energy through a chain reaction. This groundbreaking discovery profoundly impacted the entire scientific community. Just the following year, Albert Einstein dispatched a crucial warning to America. He warned the American government that the Nazis could weaponize this novel scientific advancement. This crucial warning led to the initiation of history's most costly and highly secretive scientific experiment. The United States then officially launched the Manhattan Project. This was a truly massive undertaking, involving top scientists from the United States, the UK, and Canada. They collectively spent almost 1% of their entire national GDP on achieving this single critical goal. They were well aware that the Germans were already actively working on a similar program, making them formidable rivals. However, the Germans were experiencing very limited success. Germany officially surrendered in May 1945, and by that time they had not successfully developed a nuclear bomb. But then in July of 1945, the entire world was transformed forever. American President Harry Truman, Joseph Stalin, and Winston Churchill were discussing the design of the post-World War II world at the Potsdam Conference. During that very same meeting, Harry Truman received a secret message confirming that the Trinity test in New Mexico had been successfully completed. America had now officially become a nuclear power. President Truman then informed Stalin that the United States now possessed a nuclear bomb. He was fully expecting Stalin to react with shock and surprise. But Stalin merely nodded, saying he hoped America would use it effectively against Japan. Truman didn't know that Stalin already knew about this. Spies from the Soviet Union had deeply infiltrated the Manhattan Project. Privately, Stalin was enraged that America had developed the bomb first. In August, America dropped 2 nuclear bombs on Japan, bringing World War II to an end. However, as soon as the smoke from these powerful explosions dissipated, a brand new race had already begun. The Soviet Union quickly emerged as the second nation to successfully join the exclusive nuclear club. They had, in fact, initiated their own extensive research efforts as early as 1941. They became acutely aware and highly vigilant when they observed that American and British scientists had abruptly ceased publishing any papers concerning nuclear physics. They then fully realized that the crucial work had now completely gone underground. After Japan's devastation, the Soviet program went full speed. They had stolen a lot of data from the Americans, but there was one catch. They were very suspicious. They feared the Americans might double-cross them.